Welcome to Microchef. Prepare to be amazed as I unveil the ultimate veggie fingers recipe. Join me on this delicious adventure. First, let's talk ingredients. You will need 3 cups of chickpeas and 2½ cups of mixed frozen vegetables. 1 grated onion for an extra kick of flavor. 3 cups of soft breadcrumbs will help achieve that perfect texture in every bite. 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon ground black pepper, and 1 teaspoon oregano. 3 teaspoons of lemon juice for a flavor explosion waiting to happen. A teaspoon of curry powder to take your taste buds on an unforgettable journey. Lastly, 2 cups of dried breadcrumbs and 2 extra large eggs. Now let's dive into the microwave magic. In just a few minutes, we'll transform these simple ingredients into crispy, golden veggie fingers. Let's prepare the crumb coat by combining the dried breadcrumbs and curry powder. This will give the veggie fingers that satisfying crunch we all crave. Let's start cooking those veggies. Add the frozen vegetables to a microwave-safe dish and get ready to witness the power of speedy cooking. Add the grated onion for a burst of savory goodness. Mix until well combined. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more mouth-watering recipes. After a good stir and a pinch of anticipation, cover the dish and let the microwave work its magic. Set for 10 minutes on high to soften the veggies. While the veggies cook, prepare your taste buds for what's to come. These veggie fingers are about to redefine the meaning of deliciousness. Now, let's blend the veggies for a finer texture. Watch as they transform into a tantalizing mixture that's a feast for the eyes and the palate. Now, here comes the fun part. In a mixing bowl, mash the chickpeas and add soft breadcrumbs, salt, pepper, and oregano. It's time to elevate the flavors and create a sensational blend. As the aroma of herbs and spices fills the air, mix in 2 cups of grated cheddar cheese and the lemon juice. The cheesy goodness will melt your heart with each bite. But we're not done yet. It's time to bring everything together. Add the cooked vegetables to the mixing bowl and blend them into the mixture until it's perfectly combined. The flavors will dance harmoniously, creating a symphony of taste. Now, crack open an egg and let it join the party. Mix it all together until a soft dough forms, ready to be shaped into delectable veggie fingers. Grab a piece of cling wrap and lay it out on your countertop. Place the vegetable mixture on top, and with the back of a spoon, even it out to create a smooth, uniform layer. Time to shape our masterpiece. Cover the top with cling wrap, giving it a gentle press to create a perfectly level and square mixture. Don't forget to drop a comment below, letting me know where you're tuning in from. I'll be giving a special shout out in my next video. Now, let's shape these into finger-sized strips or cute nuggets. Get creative and make them your own. These veggie fingers will look as good as they taste. In a mixing bowl, whisk the remaining egg with a fork. It's time to give our veggie fingers a golden coat. Brush each piece with the beaten egg, ensuring they're fully covered for that irresistible crunch. But we can't forget the final touch. Grab a handful of dried breadcrumbs and coat each veggie finger generously. They'll be dressed to impress, ready to satisfy your cravings. Now, place these delectable creations into a lightly oiled microwave dish. It's time to bring out the magic of the microwave once again. Microwave 4 minutes on high and get ready for the grand finale. Flip the veggie fingers, then microwave on high for another 3 minutes, and let the anticipation build. The microwave will work its wonders, transforming these gems into crispy perfection. And there you have it. Your veggie fingers are ready to be devoured. Serve these golden beauties with a side of chips and your favorite sauces. Whether you're enjoying them as a snack or a main course, these veggie fingers are guaranteed to impress. Bon appetit!